listen to me. There is nothing the devil can do against a church which come in a unity. There is nothing he can do. There are things are just the consequences. If a man and a husband, they come together in unity, they say think the same way, they speak the same language, there are things God will do in that marriage that people will be astonished with a big A. Because if you don't join together, you will become a mess. God cannot join a group where there is no unity. God cannot bless a marriage where people don't speak the same language. God cannot bless a ministry where people don't see eyes to eyes. Behold, look, watch. When the brethren, they come together, they dwell. Everybody knowing his place. Because if you try to do beyond your limits, you will do it wrong. Because that's not your gift.